Airport ready. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? I mean, you know from the title, we're going to Greece. It's currently 3 a.m. Nearly. It's like 2:45. Whatever, I need to leave in 10 minutes. This is my outfit. It's cozy. Yeah, cozy, casual, I don't know, comfy. I'm so excited. I think this is what gave me energy, not gonna lie. First time I'm trying Prime and it's doing the job. And then I've got some sesame crunch for the road and some breakfast biscuits. And yeah, my little snacks for the road. I made it to the airport. I did sleep for 20 minutes in the bus. Yeah, that wasn't planned, but it was good. It was a good one. It was actually quite quick. So now we're going to departures. I made it. It's so hot. I'm waiting for Filip. I think he's coming to smell. But ooh, I made it. Hello. It's day 2 and I'm going to my mom's house. And I'm gonna see my kitty. Kitty is literally 8 years.
Oh my goodness, it's my baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, hi, baby.
I made a potato salad, tomato, cucumber, egg, boiled egg, and obviously potato. And I'm gonna do olive oil, some oregano, salt, pepper. I said we're missing feta here, so I might add maybe some olives or some onion. I'm not feeling the onion, but olives for sure. This is delicious. The tomato, it tastes so different. It tastes like a real tomato. Crazy. Exams are done. I do need to get some medication. This is a bruise that I have on my nose, by the way. How funny. Anyway, I'm going back to Filip's house, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. That is it for today. Day number 3. Κοτόπουλο, έτοιμο. So coffee time. Good morning. So as you saw in the morning, we went supermarket. We went at the supermarket with Filip, and then we grabbed a coffee. And now I'm going with my friend Eleni to grab another coffee, tea. I don't know, something. Anyway, I came to Mama's house to buy my little babies some sand. No. Hi. okay? And yeah, this is my little outfit. Let me show you in the mirror. So I've got my little bucket hat on, this just in case it gets cold, my bag, this top from Zara, and this skirt that someone gave to me, and my beautiful Vans. Let's go! Look who I found!
Hey!
We're going to the Acropolis. Wait, I'm gonna show you this closer. Good morning. That lighting is beautiful. Anyway, we are going to my dad, which is in Porto Heli, and we're gonna do Easter there. It's Friday today, so the Easter weekend has started. I packed, got my laptop, and then as Filip's, this is my coat, like my trench coat. And then my swimsuit just under there. I'm only gonna take this though, and this is empty as you can see, so not too many stuff. I'm ready for a road trip. I need a coffee and we're ready to go. Filip is making some wraps for the road as well. And yeah, exciting stuff. It's road trip day. Good morning. It is the big Saturday. It's the next day. As you realized, I woke up very early from the rooster. Yeah, it was. You can still hear him. He still goes. Anyway, I did manage to sleep again at 9:30. So I woke up at 6:30, and then I slept again around 9:30 until like 11:30, but I kept waking up like during my sleep, which was very annoying. But anyway, it's 12 now and we're going for coffee. The weather is horrible, so we got our swimsuits to go to the beach and tan and everything, but it's so windy, and it's a little bit chilly, even though it's very sunny, so maybe not today, maybe tomorrow morning, let's hope. But yeah, for now, just coffee. So I got a Freddo espresso with some condensed milk, and then Filip just got a Freddo espresso, and then I got a strawberry melon and strawberry melon and the other mango. And I'm reading my little book. It's just such a vibe. Good morning. This is my little happy Easter dress. I'm gonna show you in a full-length mirror, and we're off to the beach. I'm so excited. The weather out is so nice. Yeah. This is the dress. Very Eastery, I'd say. And even though it's a bit windy, it is so sunny. Punibala! Punibala! We're gonna bring the ball. But yeah, we're taking the bikes. 1 bike, 2 bikes. Punibala! Oh no, he doesn't know where the ball is. Yeah, and we're off to the beach. And just like that, we're back, and I'm getting ready to go back to London. and I'm back home, I'm back in London. This is actually 2 days later. It's just I've been resting yesterday and today I just wanted to do my morning routine, just slow down, get back into routine. It has been such a nice week and I loved seeing my family and spending time with Filip. And I feel so motivated. Sometimes that's what you need. Like it was getting to the point where I was feeling like I need a break. So after that break, I just feel so motivated and so inspired to continue what I'm doing. And yeah, I really do miss my routines and I wanna get back into it, do more yoga, do more workouts. I've been really busy lately and spending time with friends, which is fine because I just prioritize my social life. But yeah, I just want to get back into routine and focus on myself. So more videos of like morning routines or night routines, or like just self-care, are gonna come pretty soon. Anyway, I just want to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment and check my Greece vlogs playlist. And yeah, I'll see you again soon.